Recently I've run across this problem, so I just wanted to share it with you. Let me show you the solution. Now this is a Metri-Pack 280. We're all familiar with using them as fuse holders, such as this. It makes for a really nice compact fuse holder that you can put pretty much anywhere you like. But if you want to use it as a logic diode holder, well, it just simply does not fit. As you can tell from what's on screen now, there's no way that's going to fit inside that cover. But here's the solution. It's way simpler than you would think. First, take something and mark the diode. Do a really poor job at it, like this. Next, you just need a pair of flush cuts or really sharp dikes. Cut this top section off that has the diode symbol. Don't worry, there's nothing in here, it's just a piece of plastic. And honestly, that's the whole trick. Plug it in, pop your cover on, and enjoy your new logic diode holder.